Welcome back to this lecturer, guys. In this lecturer, we are going to see what is the fine tuning and RAG. Okay, so as we earlier learned some prompt engineering techniques, patterns, all those stuff. Okay, we have already also see some prompt engineering opportunities in this AI era. So now what is this fine tuning and RAG? So it is also some applications of the prompt engineering. So actually what is a fine tuning and RAG? So in prompt engineering, so we will write the prompts for language models to get the best output. But in fine tuning, we are training AI model. Okay, we are training AI model with our own data to do some particular task, specific task. Okay, so let's see in details. So in this lecture, we are going to see some basics of fine tuning and RAG, some difference between fine tuning and RAG, some we will explore some examples. So let's start with first one, that is what is fine tuning. So as we earlier discussed, the fine tuning means training a pre-trained AI model on a specific dataset to specialize it for a particular task. So pre-trained AI model. So what is the meaning of pre-trained AI model? So this model is nothing but it is a language model which is trained by large amount of data sets. You can take any model. So for example, before a chat GPT, so GPT 4o 4 3.5, it has some basic model that is GPT 3, that is called an pre-trained AI model. Okay, after that it will goes on to 3.5 4 4o, like that. So after training by data in real time, it goes to the different versions of models, like that. So here pre-trained model means it is already trained by large amount of data sets, but at the foundational level. Okay, at the foundational level. So this pre-trained AI model, so the fine tuning means we have to train, involves fine tuning involves a training a pre-trained AI model on a specific dataset to specialize it for a particular task. So we have to train AI model with our own data to solve a particular task only, not for all purpose like ChatGPT or other language models which will solve all problems. Right? Instead of that, we have fine tuning some basic model to do particular task only. Okay. For example, ChatGPT for marketing only, like that. So this is simple. Okay. So how it works? Let's see here. Example. Let's see the what is the work is. Let's see how it works. Start with base model. So you can take any model. For example, we have taken GPT-3 here. So this is a base model, pre-trained AI model. Okay. So after that, we have to provide domain specific or task specific data. Example, medical transcripts, legal documents, or anything that your task is about. Okay. So we have to train, we have to provide this domain specific or task specific data to the GPT-3 model. Okay. In which this AI model will learn this data. Okay. It will become legal document uh, helpful assistant, like that. Okay. So this GPT-3 model have only the knowledge about these topics only, that is medical transcripts, legal documents only. They don't have the knowledge about anything. Okay, that is a specific data. Next, train the model to improve its performance on the task. So how we can train the model? Okay, training the model means we have to write the prompt. So the GPT-3 model already have the knowledge about our specific domain task, like medical transcripts, legal documents. It has some already response, right? Now what is lagging? What is lacking means questions or prompts that the AI can learn Okay, that the AI can learn to fetch the output, okay, to show the output related to our prompt here. So to learn that, we have to write the prompt. As a prompt engineer, that is your work. That's why the fine tuning is also a application of prompt engineering. So we can see the we earlier we discussed some prompt techniques like that, but here is a writing simple question is called a prompt here. Writing a some needed question or relevant question to this documents will help a model to match the output based upon our prompt. Okay, I hope you understand. In which the AI model can learn how to best matching output to the prompt, and it will automatically improve its performance. Okay, that is all about fine tuning here. Let's see the what is the relation to the prompt engineering is. As I said, so as a prompt engineer, you have to write simple prompts. It is called asking simple question to AI model, in which the AI model can answer it by the knowledge of documents we have used for a specific or particular task while training AI model. Okay, I hope you understand. You can see the example here. So for general model, you can take any language model like ChatGPT. So for a summarize purpose, you will write like this prompt here. Summarize this news article for a teenager. But when compared to fine tune model means, as I said, fine tuning means training a model to do particular task only. Here, when compared to this prompt, here the purpose is the model is already tuned to create summarize for teens. I will just write the prompt here, that is summarize. Okay. Instead of writing this news article for a teenager, for a fine tune AI model, I will just write a summarize prompt. Why? This fine tune model is already trained to summarize the articles for teens. Okay. It is already trained to generate responses, to generate summarizes for teens. So what is a news article? What is about news article? The news article is trained. Okay, I hope you understand. So if you see here, provide domain specific or task specific data. So here I have taken the news article information. All about news article is fed to the base AI model, in which it will create summarizes for teens of particular news article. I will just write the prompt that summarize. It is automatically create a summarize for teens. I hope you understand. That is all about fine-tune models. Fine-tuning is nothing but training AI model with our own data to do a particular task. The it is a most use cases in we will see different industries are looking to fine-tune their own AI models, in which they can use in their workflows and to improve their efficiency among the employers and workflows like that. Okay, each and every industry have their own data. So by this using this technique, fine tuning technique, they can easily train their own AI model with their own data.